I'm making guacamole. I have in here some of the seasoning mix that I've made. Some mango habanero hot sauce that I did not make, that someone from my old job made, that I really like. Avocado, minced garlic, hot pepper, cilantro. I have some tomato here that I'm cutting up. Don't pay attention to back there. It's gonna get straightened up. I have some tomato here that I'm cutting up. And then, what else? I'm gonna add some onion. Probably should have put it in a bigger bowl, but it is what it is. I'm gonna chop up some onion. Oh, and I wanted to also shout out, so Miss Chalet, I'll leave her link in the description box. Also, At Home with Lisa. Also, Severe has been, she's just so supportive. And Jill, because why? And everyone who's tuning into these videos, I appreciate you watching. You definitely don't have to. You don't have to comment. You don't have to watch. Now, to those who are watching and not commenting, leave a comment. I would love to chat with you. I'd love for us to get to know one another and talk about all the different topics that I'll be bringing up, because they're important topics and sometimes we don't talk enough. And I really want to know what other people are experiencing, because I know I'm not alone in the things that I'm talking about or that I've experienced or that I'm trying to work through. So if you're a silent watcher, please feel free. Thank you. That's for one. And please feel free to comment. And Miss Terry, if you're watching, shout out to you too. Because when you mentioned if I'm not cooking on here anymore, I was like, I should. And then my mother came and asked me, hey, are you going to make YouTube videos again? I was like, you know what? I do feel like making them. I took a break because I'm going to take breaks as I need to for my mental health. That is important. I'm warming up some blue crab claws to eat. I love blue crab claws. And they're very light. Very light. All right, let's chop up an onion. Get an onion in here. My feet are always the coldest part of my body. Boom. All right. Let's get this into a bigger bowl. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? A little lemon juice. Ooh, guacamole. All right, let's taste it. See how it is. It's chunky guac. It's fine because it's mine. Oh, that's good. That mango habanero hits with the lemon juice and all the different flavors. I love cilantro. A lot of people do not like cilantro. I, for one, love it. I'm just gonna add a little more seasoning. I know you're like, every time she says something good, she adds more seasoning. Because it is good, but I can use more seasoning. There's more to food than just salt. Salt helps to bring out the flavors, but tomato has a flavor, onion has a flavor. Avocado has a very subtle flavor to me. Onions have a flavor, cilantro have a flavor. And then when you add salt, it helps to bring and tie everything together nicely, bringing out the flavors of these things more. All right. Chunky guac. All right, I actually want to try the guacamole with the crispy salmon skin. So I have some salmon skin here. Gonna put some of that guac on there like that. Let's give that a taste. That's good. That's good. This guac would taste good on the salmon sandwich. That's yum.